Want to make your Excel charts come alive with just one click? Imagine selecting laptop from a drop-down and instantly seeing a chart update with only laptop sales. That's the magic of dynamic charts, and I'm about to show you exactly how to build one using real data. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with a clean dataset. Picture this: monthly sales figures for 3 products, laptop, tablet, and smartphone, arranged in columns. Each column represents product sales across months. Simple and organized. Now, let's make your spreadsheet interactive. Click an empty cell, say F1. This will be your product selector. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Choose List. In the source box, select the product names from the header row. Now hit OK. Boom. You've got a drop-down list that lets anyone choose a product on demand. Here's where the magic happens. In cell F2, we'll write a dynamic formula that updates the data based on the selected product. Type this formula. This formula dynamically selects a data range based on a selection in cell F1, perfect for making dynamic charts or summaries. Let me explain what it does. F1 is the cell where the user makes a selection. The $signs keep the reference locked. B1 to D1 are our headers, 0 for exact match. The match function finds the position of the selected product in F1. And the choose function uses that position to return the correct column of sales data. So if someone picks tablet, this formula gives us values from the tablet column. Press enter and done. Now for the fun part, turning this into a live, responsive chart. Select the range A1 to A6 for the months. Hold Ctrl and also select F1 to F6 for the dynamic sales data. Now, go to the Insert tab. Choose a column chart, either clustered column or any style you prefer. Once the chart appears, it will already be linked to your drop-down in F1. Now let's give it some quick professional polish. To add data labels, click on any column in the chart. Then right-click and choose Add Data Labels. This instantly shows exact sales numbers on each bar, super useful for reporting. You can even link the chart title to the drop-down. First, click the title. Go to the formula bar. Type equals and click on cell F1. Then, press enter. Now the title updates automatically with your selection. Use the Chart Design tab to pick a clean, modern style. Try bold colors or gradients for a visual punch. That's it. You now have a fully dynamic, customized chart that reacts instantly to your drop-down selection. No macros, no complicated setup, just smart Excel magic. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more time-saving Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.